Just let it play, Lito.
Fighting for my life.
No speed racing. I just press the pump and alleviate all your friends, fans, with names, and they abbreviate.
What the No! Fighting for my life!
Started nothing. Had no chance to
It's that bad.
I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing. Ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. But we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see the walls, I could see you faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your faces. Safe in my rental.
Hey guys! So, in Jamaica, we are doing a little pumpkin carving, a little fall vlog. They're candy. Chug.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Literally, the pumpkin's bigger than my head. That's crazy. It's bigger than my head.
And it's a small one.
Alright, you know what? Take it off now. Eden over here having the time of his life. Eden? Hello. Hi. Oh, okay. Come here, say. The man want to put Bobby.
Not in my face. Why are we behind my face?
We have Jolly Ranchers, we got my beers, we got my worms, rollers, wow, Winter Fresh, double mint, what is it, Tutti Frutti, you name it, M&M's.
They exist.
These kitty candies, like, wanna remember the name?
I love it.
That's great.
That's what it is like lips. Like,
Yes,
the
lip sweetie man.
Yeah, and the heart one, them the
Filling up the trick or treats. Pinatas.
But Lolly Ranch in there.
You're too big, but You're too old, man.
Oh, she a Florida, baby. But she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes she got a.
Enough here?
Yeah, start the show, guys.
Yeah, you just want to be seen, okay?
People watch the vlog for me, right? You know what I'm saying?
Orange! Yeah! Like a daddy.
I need more lips to baguette.
Right. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah!
Pumpkins. Lift it up.
Yeah!
Too heavy. Heavy. Yes. He's like, okay, well, we don't have that yet.
Show them my pumpkin.
Show them the pumpkin part.
Show them my pumpkin.
Yeah. Which color is it?
Here it is. Say trick or treat. This is the setup.
You're gonna end up using
What you? Hello. Hi.
Interested to see what he feels. The texture.
Run away.
Let's work on it first.
Oh, no, that's what
making the shape. That's making the shape of it.
We're getting a tutorial.
How to cut my hair. It's a very good one.
God have mercy.
Might be slightly finger.
Who's subsidized?
Yeah, just to like the preference is like the line.
Blindly.
Why would they decide to be on the same team?
Colorblind team rules.
Just get in there though.
Oh, you know, yeah.
Humble. A big one now.
A big man.
Anna, what is this? I don't know.
We'll beat them already.
Damn. Come here, though. You know, so with no fear, pay them the man. No, you have a own thing. I like that. Take man. No, the pumpkin. No, I would.
Take time. The competition, friend.
Maya, you see?
Right? No, but
you started.
What kind of stand?
whose team are you on?
I don't exactly know. What is the team? I'll be top out first.
Stop!
Yeah. Do the rest.
No, give me back. You can take this one. No!
Brandon,
Keepers even tell Anna to stop. Wait, I already take care of this. What did you want? Give me a pumpkin. It's a It's a fat one. Leave it alone.
It's gone. It's gone.
Tell her to take this one. Here, say here. Say here. Anna, that's unfair. I already cut that one.
Exactly. Take back your pumpkin.
Advantage for whoever has it.
Nobody wants it.
It's an experience.
You know what?
Right here. Fun.
Fine, because I'm a DJ.
We don't have that concave.
Shut up.
Oh, funny.
We don't give a damn.
Go far.
Wait until they tell me.
Put up your eyes. We can't focus. Shit, man.
I don't.
It's what's nice on me.
That's what I'm gonna know what I did over there with.
All right.
We need. No, it's can I get a bowl? Here. Oh, never mind.
Never mind. So what? I've already put your hand in this. Yes. What did I feel like to know?
This is fast.
Yes, man.
I'm gonna take out the seed.
What?
Don't let it touch me.
It's pumpkin.
Name that.
Actually,
I'm afraid of the seed.
Say go, mommy, go. Go, mommy, go. Go, mommy, go. Can I have you? Go, mommy. Say sure. Take it out. Take it out. Like this. Like this. Where's the face? Where's the near?
The top.
Yes.
Go for the top.
Keep it. Go for it. Put it here. But we need to draw something on it. What are you doing? Keep it.
Guys, this is our
Leave me alone.
idea.
No.
Yeah.
I forgot this.
So now do that?
Alright.
The judgment of the pumpkins. So our tally was decided by degree of difficulty.
No, yeah, me jodí, no.
No, there's categories. You
Yeah,
can't.
me jodí.
Final
That's not fair.
aesthetics, originality,
Oh, brother.
We won.
and creativity.
Anna, you do it by yourself.
Based on the criteria,
Right.
we
Drum
have
roll.
combined the scores between judges. We have decided
It took up speed afterwards.
Start from last place.
last place.
Yeah, start from last.
Yeah. Build up the anticipation.
Shelby, for going to
Trina and Shelby.
continue.
No, but why
In third place.
It's corrupt.
In third place with 56 points.
Corrupt.
Aaron and Ty.
Hold on. Only thing you're gonna beat either there.
I mean, look.
That's crazy.
Creativity.
And I drop out.
Exactly. And a back jump out.
No sabotage!
And a back jump
There's
out.
no creative. Everybody starts
Move from here!
Everybody search on
Everybody
Google.
search on
But okay.
Look for the team. Aaron.
It could still.
What are you talking about? Man, I'm not wobbling. It's holding on to their legs. Stop it.
Hey, good man. Continue. I'd love to hear.
In second place. With the winner. Getting the highest marks overall for
Hold on,
degree
yeah,
of
second place
difficulty.
or first place?
You don't know all pageant suffering.
Oh, yeah.
About 4 minutes, may I play?
First one out. Second one out.
First runner up and then first.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, it's
The difference of total is Anna Santana.
This is rigged. This is rigged.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Alright. No. We need to understand.
Degree of difficulty.
Oh, we're from last. The camera.
Actually, a little face for them kind of get to a little bit.
Exactly. They have two faces.
We could come last.
No, I don't.
You lost.
That's the whole point.
Very last.
That?
Aaron, objectively, wait, listen. You think this
That's
was better than
crazy.
this?
Hold on.
What me now go?
If you punch that, are you going to hit the stairs?
No, I'm doing this one. I know that bad.
Watch it. Don't behind.
It might swing though.
Ready?
Careful, Shelby behind you.
Swing.
Oh, you
One.
missed it last one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Tough man. There.
I wanna go the next time.
Go on again.
But that's checker too. Yeah. Ready?
Ready? Oh. Me know what I want, Dumpy. One more.
Yeah. Hold on, don't make
Do it to the
no,
front.
stop it. Yeah. Do it good. I'm
Ready? I believe in you. Wait.
It's taking a while.
One, two.
You have to do it again. Good job.
Do it again.
I know. I'll take this. Watch him with the box. Tie. Anna. Tie. No. Let me see your bag. Yeah. What a Bobby you have.
Yeah.
You full of Bobby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you have her shoes?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, this is too much. Show me your
Wickedness can't do it. I had 2 little hurt. Give me my Hershey them, man. Oh god, you're wicked. You teach some from me a while ago.
because it's still from me.
Leave her on the licorice.
Hey, how y'all doing? That pumpkin carving pinata. words, piñata bursting. Very chaotic and eventful. That was really fun though. I've never carved a pumpkin before or done anything like that. I just had the idea, say, let me try something like that in Jamaica. One thing about Shanita and them, they're up for an event. They're up for a challenge, because why the pumpkin them arrived the next day. So I've been a little bit stranded all morning. I wanted to go home and open a package that I got on camera. I mean, I already opened it, but I wanted to properly unbox it on camera. But I was stranded here for a little bit because I left my keys in the young man's car and he went on the road. So I couldn't leave. I couldn't go home even if I wanted to. So I'm coming back now and I can leave. So I'm just going to get ready and then we're going to head there, do the unboxing. And then I'm going to go to Starbucks and try a new drink. Not really a Starbucks girl, but in light of this fall vlog, I'm going to try fall inspired drink. I'm going to search on Pinterest or TikTok and see what is nice. Last year I tried this and I'm gonna make me try wait name the pumpkin spice chai latte. It tastes like shit. So I don't know if I'm gonna get one of those and skip out the oat milk this time or try a different fall drink, like have them just give me something, like freestyle it. The drink that I normally like from Starbucks is a caramel macchiato. I love me one of those. Move the man, let it fly. Every time I open the window, one of you guys just fly in. Look at work, man. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go because since it has been raining, although today is sunny, I just feel like there's traffic on the road. I don't know why, but I just feel like there's traffic on the road. So we need to hurry. Quick outfit check. Never mind, let's just go. I think I look cute. We're going to Starbucks first actually because I don't want the traffic. The thing is I don't know which Starbucks to go to. I don't know if I want to go to the one at AC or Fontana. The one at AC is a little bit more aesthetic, but the one at Fontana is a little bit closer to where I am right now. Let me think about it and talk back to you guys.
Can you blow my mind? I don't wanna wait. Take me where you've been before.
I'm a cash.
Make me sweat. Make me harder. Make me harder. Make me lose my breath. Make me water.
Period. Love me some Tyler.
So let's make sure the day you to forget. Truth or dare. One, tell me how you play it. Truth or dare. If I didn't have it all. Signed and dotted. I'll be your peace. Your ART. Study my face. Frame. Put me on the wall. If you show me off.
I just got to AC. The guy downstairs was saying that there's no parking down there, so I had to come up on the first floor. I don't like coming up here because then I have to take the elevator and all of that stuff. It's okay. It's okay. Because he was like, I can give you a parking for 5 minutes. And I'm like, no, this is not a 5-minute session. I might just sit here and drink this. So, yeah. I just know the traffic is going to beat me. So I just, at this point, I just need to suck up and just go do what I got to do. It is what it is. I'm going to leave this. Actually, no. Never mind. I was going to leave it because it's just so big and bulky. But it's okay. I'll bring it. So I saw 2 drinks, right? I screenshotted 2 drinks. The thing is, I don't know if they'll have it in Jamaica. So this one is called the Light Pumpkin White Mocha. I saw this other one that says I should ask for apple crisp shaken oat milk espresso, add caramel drizzle, add salted caramel cold foam on top. The thing is, I don't really know if I want a salty drink. I'm more of a sweet drink person, so maybe not salted caramel. Because I saw someone in the comments say, what if you don't want the salt? They said just ask for regular cold foam. We'll see how it go, my love. You know me, it's not a Starbucks girlie. Last year I shame. This year I just hope I don't shame. Okay? I don't know what yet, but we will see. Better be good. Still gonna ask them if they can make this one, but if not, I guess I'll try the iced something. And I'll just sit right there. Hopefully nobody will take a seat. I'm gonna put my bag there. No, I can't put my bag there.
Why you TikTok?
AndImShelby.
You can't spell it?
You can spell and.
Kaya mo pala, ya pala mo ba?
Maybe.
How much? It's fair?
Huh?
It's fair?
Yeah.
Then she could have it for free?
No,
I mean, there are people that do it for free. Can you make this?
No pumpkin.
Don't tell me no.
No pumpkin.
What do you mean no pumpkin?
No pumpkin.
Also now. Bag of pumpkin things not promote and don't have
No,
the
it
pumpkin.
finish. It
No,
finish.
sell like hot bread. Clocks on the tongue. No.
So what am I gonna get now? I have no pumpkin.
Sasa na di lang mo na?
Yeah. More on the sound like Seashells. I'm be in the video. Make content.
These are what it man to.
But I don't want it.
Life will live. Life will grow.
Mana siya pala mo ba ito?
May I try other things, you know?
Alright, you want help?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you're looking to do? Something coffee?
I want to try a fall drink.
Oh, alright, so we are.
Yeah.
Oh, a fall drink. The only thing we can give you right now that's
423.
available. That will be the chocolate cinnamon chocolate. We have that in a latte, we have that in a frap, and we have that also cold brew. So you want to try it? Or you want to give something different?
No, I want a
I
fall
can give you a
drink.
cinnamon roll frap with caramel dressing.
Which one is sweeter?
Yeah,
Which one is sweeter?
Yeah.
I can make anyone of them sweet, anything for you.
Which one tastes better?
Anything for you, I can make it taste better. I try to
I don't know. I don't really drink Starbucks, so I don't
Starbucks sweet
know. Yeah.
Then you have to talk to me then.
Alright, just surprise me.
Right, alright.
Surprise me. But small.
The general like you, so. But we didn't go there.
I have a boyfriend.
He's a man. You have a boyfriend.
Oh, well, I have a
If
man.
my girl ever go to she have a boyfriend, then I have a
That's
problem.
too sad.
Man,
That's sad.
boys days are over.
Yeah. Are you a comedian?
What you say, girl? She like excitement and really. No, I'm gonna can't go so.
I'm not gonna drink it all.
Kinda small.
I'm not gonna drink it all.
You carry
Don't do the black dot.
Alright, enough.
Is that big
Don't
carry?
do that.
I'm not business.
Spend the money.
I'm not care. Mega waste it.
You
You must not waste.
Then I make her a Cosmo one, but she said she wants it small. I'm gonna sell Cosmo small. Cosmo
Why
big.
am I stress me out, people? What stress me out?
Okay, so what's your name?
Shelby.
Shelby?
B.
Shelby?
No. You're saying it with a V. It's with a B.
Shelby.
Right.
So you're from Scotland? You from
The
Scotland,
name
mate?
is.
You're from
You
Scotland, mate?
can't go more from
Where you from? Wales? Where you from? Northern Ireland.
Let's say a band Jamaican uptown girl in my
I'm not
West
a
boy.
uptown.
Where you from? Tivoli Gardens?
Yeah.
Stop cap, you stop cap.
You're not even know where I give me the drink.
Woman, you when you start big money make it talk.
Okay, well, let me talk to you then, since we're not here.
What did he recommend for you, man?
I don't know at this point. Still has told me.
Okay. That's a nice one. She want a small one.
Yeah, she threw me off you.
That's
Nah,
too bad.
no, man. Brown?
Can't even get a drink in here.
Yeah, why she kept on cartel internet?
Damn, bro.
A content we girl. And she didn't even know.
She didn't even know. So
Yeah.
Unless
Me,
someone
but-
wanted, someone can't show. You
No,
say
you
you wanted,
can't.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you get that Jeff?
Hmm?
Jeff.
T-Tetics.
Where that
She am looking at her mouth.
white gold team that think you know. Sure was a white diamond, you know. I know them style. Real top boys. Good day.
Yeah, still a wait for the drink.
Are you listening? Are you listening? Your total, that's it? No cheese Danish today? Your total is 1,260. Bad boy named Shaw. Laura, right?
Context matter, you know.
I'm Lorenzo, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Lorenzo.
Call me Killer B.
No,
That's what they call
my
me.
name is Lorenzo.
Killer B, my name.
Thank
Better
you.
say that.
You too. Took me 7 minutes to get a damn drink. So what for doing if it not taste good? Wow, that's crazy. name pan cup. I cannot believe this. Okay, it tastes good.
Anything you give, appreciation.
Oh, brother. Thank you. Huh? Today. Goodbye. For our first, I actually really like this drink. That was eventful. I don't know how I felt about that. So many people were staring at me. I don't like when people stare at me. Anyways, you know, we overcame a little fear, and you know, you get a little bit of entertainment. The guys at Starbucks. I don't really drink cold things, you know. So you see me and that now, I don't know why I'm doing that to myself. 2 little bits enough. 2 little bits and enough. So we're gonna go on the, I know there's going to be traffic. I'm trying to figure out in my brain what the fastest route might be. At this point, let me just put on back my Tyler and get this show on the road. And you know another stupid thing that I didn't bring my laptop with me, so I'm going to have to hurry up and do whatever I'm doing at my house and then go back up to the young man's house so I can edit. When I finally get this video, I'm gonna just get it. I tried to look cute and everything. I really love my outfit today. My outfit is very cute, very cutesy, very girly. And I was going to pull out these locks this week, but I think I might keep them in for another week. I'm feeling the locks, I'm not gonna lie. I think because I started doing different styles with it, other than just either leaving it down or putting it to the side or doing like a half down, I started experimenting a little bit. Like last night, my hair was so cute. I had it in a high ponytail with like 2 at the front. Super cute, and I love putting it in this bun. Cutest thing ever. But yeah, I chat too much. Let's go. So people change of plans. I am not going to go home again. The traffic has started, unfortunately, and yeah, I'm not having it. I'm not having it. I wanna leave. I want to leave. I almost forgot that I had responsibilities, and I was literally about to call one of my friends and be like, girl, do you want to go for drinks? And then I had to snap myself also because I'm like, I have work to do. So I can't go home and do that haul that I wanted to do for you. Y'all will see that in the next vlog. I'm not in the mood to sit in traffic right now. Already doing this right. It is 4:54. I'm sure I'm not gonna reach where may I go until maybe 5:30. Ciao. You know what I hate? Like when people on the road and they want to beg you and you get them and then them still in front of you, like them a beg more, like stop. You made me regret giving you any in the first place. Leave me alone. Ciao.
My baby, birds of a feather, we should stick together. If forever is even better. Don't know what I'm crying for, baby. Till the day that I die. Anyone who needs any attention is you. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving.
And made it 15 minutes earlier than I anticipated. It's 5:15 right now. Mission accomplished. Probably I'll go for drinks later, to be honest, because I feel cute, so why not? I'm gonna do one last fit check because I don't think y'all saw my fit earlier. I don't even know what I'm talking about when I said my outfit is cute. So let me show you guys right quick. Look. Yeah. But no other people are looking at the boss now and they're like, is she okay? Is she good? I'm good. Alright guys, so I'm back. And I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. This is the end of the vlog. If you got this far, comment the autumn leaves. Yeah. That's what I want, to bring in the fall season, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, whatever that is. Bye!